Okay, so this is a quick video on how I mounted my Bosch router table into the rigid table saw. So what I did is I cut this piece of wood to the exact. So I cut this, and the reason why I use this wood is on this side there's a hole with a screw, which is the same screw that holds the rail on the back. Right there. So this is the same screw that holds the rail. So if you back it up enough with the wood, you have space. So you don't have to drill another hole here. You can just have the regular screw there. Okay. And on this part, what I did is I use the screws that hold the table, which are those, and I mounted them on the wood this way. So I drilled the holes this way, and there are 3 holes here on this panel. So you mount them this way, and then you screw them from here this direction. That will hold this piece of wood here. At the same time, you have to grab some extra screws. So I use those. They are number 1024 1 by 1/4, and they come this way. So this one is coming this way into the holes of the table. This one's coming this way into the holes of the router. So if we look on the bottom, there are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so the reason why I did this is so I don't drill any holes on the table saw. This is a new table saw, and I don't want to drill any holes on it. So you're gonna have, again, 3 of this going that direction, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 of those, the number 1024 1 by 1/4, coming this direction. I countersinked them so the wood will be, there'll be no space and it's flush. Then I got some sets of those. They are M8 1.24 by 30 millimeters. And what they do is they come right here. They get right here on the metal rail, and they come this way. You come this way. Then you use the same washers, which are M8 1 by 1.25 underneath here. So then you have 1, 2, 3 there holding, and then this last one is the same one that holds the original table saw rail. That will hold that. For the switch, corner brackets from one of your box stores, and you just cut it. Just cut the side, and then you drill 2 holes for the mounting screws. And those are the same bolts, the same M8 bolt screws, but this time I got smaller ones. So they are the smaller type. This one is by 20 millimeters, but you probably can get away with half of that because there's still quite some left, so you can probably get half of one that is half the size. So what I did is I mounted here on this T-track all the way, and you mount with the same M8 washers, and those black screws are the same ones that mounted on the table, on the router table. So you reuse it, and that's it, and it works. You can use the saw. All the way to 30, no problem. Come back, and it works pretty good. I'm a little bit concerned of the weight, but not much. But I'm still gonna probably just leave the plate. What I did is I just put a little bit of super glue on the washers of the levels, of the 4 levels, and this super glue will not let them fall off. So I either gonna use this with the cover, or I'm just gonna leave the router out with attached to the cover. Whenever I don't need, I'm just gonna take it off. But yeah, so there you go. It's working pretty good. I just finished doing it, and yeah, that's it. I hope that helped.